So there's this one time I was playing with Brecken, and he got barrain.
All right, so we're going to start with this problem. Everybody write it down. Example 4. Everybody write 3x plus 5y equals 10, and 1x minus 5y equals negative 10. And we're going to see where those two lines cross. Now, what's different about today than Friday? Right. We've got to solve for y to make it look like y equals mx plus b. So, everybody look up. On this one, how do we get 5y by itself? We're going to have to minus 3x on both sides. So now I've got 5y equals, I'm going to put the negative 3x plus 10 first. Why can't I combine the negative 3 and the 10? One's a variable, one's not. They're not like terms. And also, why do you think I chose to put the x first? So that it looks like y equals mx plus b. And now to get y by itself, I'm going to divide by 5. Everybody's writing this down. Y equals negative 3/5 x plus 2. And this is what I'm going to graph. All right, and then I'm going to go over to this one. What should I do for this one? Minus 1x on both sides. That's negative 5y equals negative 1x minus 10. And then? Divide by negative 5. You need to be writing. Y equals positive 1/5. Why is it positive? 2 negatives, yep. Negative divided by a negative equals a positive. So this is plus 2 now. All right, those are my two graphs. I'll leave it up for a second so that you can definitely write it in.
So whenever you like something you divide by, it's always going to be the number whatever was like that is over the number you divided by?
Yeah. I mean, sometimes, like, what if it was like a 10 and you divide it by 5, then it would just be 2. So if it's a fraction that would go into itself, then it would just be a regular number, but yes. All right, example 4 on the back. Make sure you label x and y. I'm going to be real stubborn about that. Where should I start for this first line?
2.
Positive 2 on the y, because it's a y-intercept. And then this negative 3/5 says that I go down 3 to the right 5, which is the opposite of the other side, which is up 3 and to the left 5. I'm going to use my ruler and draw a line. The other one also has a y-intercept of 2. And then it goes up 1 to the right 5. On the other side, it's down 1 to the left 5. Kind of looks like an X crossing in the middle. So where's the answer? Where they cross, 0, 2. So make sure you write 0, 2 down. That is the actual answer, 0, 2.
Do you need to do this graph since you saw there's both to choose at the end?
I'm going to make a rule right now. If you can explain it to me, these are the 3 instances where I will not require a graph, okay? if they have the same y-intercept, and then if you solve for the lines and you say they have the same intercept, so it's going to be 0, 2. If you write that same y-intercept 0, 2, then I'll say, okay, you got it. Or if you say I don't have to graph them, they've got the same slopes, these are parallel lines, the answer is no solution. That's fine with me, but you have to write parallel lines, no solution. Or you should write same line, infinite solutions. Those are the 3 situations where I would say, okay, don't graph it. Because I do enjoy the suffering of children, but not enough to make you work super hard for nothing. All right, example 5, last one we're doing. Four y minus 6x equals 16, and 9x minus 6y equals negative 24. All right, go ahead and try this problem out with your partner. You've got to solve for y and then graph it. See how the negative 3 fits x plus 2. I just got smart and put them in a line. So, okay, I still need you to work with your formula.
It's 9 and then there's the minuses.
They're not the same. There's a variable.
Highly suggest you reduce the slopes.
This one over here can be like
Oh my goodness, I was solving for X.
I'm very glad I asked that question.
What?
Very glad I asked that question.
Harper, you raising your hand for me or stretching?
That's what my dad actually for the next 2 days. My last I know. I've been doing it once.